guys, welcome to my channel, My Hobby House. I am back with another wonderful DIY that's making of a key holder. We are just gonna use cardboard and apply a layer of texture paste over it to make it strong and durable. So let's get started. Cut the cardboard in the sizes as shown in the video. Stick the two pieces of cardboard together. Stick the roof pieces to the houses. Now we are going to make the texture paste. You can get Plaster of Paris in any hardware stores. In a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of Plaster of Paris and add 2 tablespoons of any PVA glue. Add little water as required. It should be a thick paste. That's the right consistency of a texture paste. Now apply this texture paste on all the sides of the roof and the houses. Now apply a thick layer of texture paste and use a toothpick to make a wood texture. Now, using a glue, stick all the houses to the cardboard. Now to the texture paste, add some more water to make a thin consistency. This mixture is called gesso. This can be used on any surface as a base coat. Apply it on all the houses. Let it dry completely. Use a sandpaper to smooth it out. Now we can start painting. I am using Fevicryl neon colors for this. Apply the second coat of paint when the first coat is completely dried. Now adding all the design elements. I made this little bird and hearts using clay, and I'm gonna use it here. Here I have some pushpins. Using a glue gun, apply some hot glue on the pushpins and insert it to the cardboard. Insert the pushpin in a tilted position so that the keys doesn't slide out. Glue a string on the back side for hanging the key holder. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.